EMBER Smart Heating Control from EPH. The Setup Guide. Pairing the thermostat to the programmer. Lower the cover on the front of the programmer. Move the selector switch to the run position. Press and hold the minus button for 5 seconds. The wireless connect screen will appear. Open the thermostat by pressing the button on the bottom. There are 2 buttons, Reset and Code. Located on the printed circuit board, press the code button once. The available zones on the programmer will begin to flash. You can clip the housing back. On the programmer, press the zone select button of the zone you wish to connect the thermostat to. The wireless symbol appears on the screen. After 3 seconds, the thermostat will show R1 if paired to zone 1 of the programmer, or R2 if paired to zone 2 of the programmer. When R1 or R2 is displayed, press the hand wheel on the thermostat. The temperature of the wireless thermostat is now displayed on your programmer. Your room thermostat is now paired up with your programmer. To connect up the hot water cylinder thermostat is the same procedure. Repeat this process for the 3rd or 4th zone if required. For full instructions and advanced settings, please refer to the installation instructions included. Thank you for choosing EMBER.